Hey guys, so welcome back. I'm about to go out right now. Just got on like a really chill outfit. I'm gonna go grab a juice, maybe a snack. I have to go pick up some wrapping paper. I desperately need to wrap Christmas gifts like ASAP. I should have wrapped them like the other day. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna go and do right now. So let's head out. Very casual today. Alright guys, I got my juice. I'm so excited to try it. And then they had these like cute little like almond butter and coconut, I think dates, like cookies. So I got these to try. I'm so pumped because I love a good healthy snack. So now I'm gonna go get my wrapping paper, go back home, get my stuff done. So I'll take you guys with me. And also, I'm like really loving these like little tiny gold hoops recently. I have no idea where they're from. They have been like in my jewelry since I was like 13, and like I just like came across them again and I'm like, ooh. Worst outing experience ever. So I drove to TJ Maxx to see if they had any cute wrapping paper. The line was literally out of the door. So then I decided I was gonna go to Target. It was like 10 minutes away, not that bad. I get there, there's not one spot in the whole entire parking lot, like at all. And then security was like out there like trying to direct people where to go. It was so overwhelming. It took me like 25 minutes just to get through the parking lot. So that's that. So now I'm gonna see if I can like Amazon Prime some wrapping paper to my house or something, because I'm in desperate need so I can like wrap my gifts. So I gotta go figure that out. So I came back to Target. I've got Bo with me. So hopefully we can find some wrapping paper. We got a parking spot, which is nice because earlier there was not one parking spot. So I'm gonna get some wrapping paper. Hey guys, so I just got back home, taking off my shoes. We went to Target. So ticked, they were out of the wrapping paper that I wanted. So I got a different kind of wrapping paper. It's still cute, not as cute, but I don't know. I really want this other one. We are about to head out to go to brunch with Bo's family who's in town, and I need to go get gas. And I think we're gonna go to like Whole Foods, and I still really want the certain wrapping paper from Target, so I'm thinking about just driving to a different Target to see if they have it, because I really want it. It's so cute. It says fa la la, and I just think it's the cutest thing ever. So here comes Bo, so gotta get going. We're getting our, what are we getting? Hot chocolate and a cappuccino. Guys, Kayla's gonna start vlogging.
I know, I have the camera, so why not?
So, you guys need to go to her channel. I don't know what your channel is, if you even have one yet.
Either. I have one, but I forgot what it is. I think it's just my name, Kayla DeRosa.
Yes. My hot chocolate came out. Guys, Kayla's cappuccino is so cute.
I know.
Oh my god. We're in the cutest store ever. It's called Rock, Paper, Scissors. So cute. Look how cute this is. Rose, please. I know. I love. Wait, put that.
Yeah.
This is the cute hat. Guys, I think Josh should get it. Girl, you look so bomb. Little airport look.
You know.
Yes.
Shades for the haters.
This is like the best place ever. They're party favor boxes. Stop. Oh my god, look at the stuff up there.
There's so many.
Nail time. We just got our nails done. How pretty is this? Why won't it focus? There we go. And Jasmine's over here with these bougie Christmas nails.
You know.
So cute.
That's how I do.
Yes. Hi guys, excuse the terrible lighting right now. It's like 7 o'clock at night. I'm actually back home in Louisiana. I'm so excited to be here. I'm actually meeting my friends right now for dinner. I got home like 3 or 4 hours ago, literally hopped in the shower, got ready, came out. It is raining right now, but I just wanted to update you guys, let you guys know what's going on. It's almost Christmas, so excited. And I'm so excited to see my friends and go eat, so bring you guys with us. Okay, so I got a margarita pizza and a cosmopolitan, and Lauren got something, and Miranda got something, and that's Miranda. I don't know if you've been on my vlog, have you? No, Miranda is so cute. And this is Lauren. I've known Lauren literally like half my life. I love her. Each year, I literally get the cutest pajamas ever from my parents. And these are the ones that they got me this year with these slippers. And they're so cute. They're literally so cute. Hey guys, so I've been home for like 2, maybe 3 days. Yeah, so about like 3 days. Currently, I'm watching some YouTube, and then I'm gonna watch Eloise at Christmas Time. I watch that every Christmas Eve. It's my favorite movie ever. I went and got my hair done yesterday. I also went and did some shopping with my grandma, what I got. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and finish watching some YouTube videos real quick and then go watch my movie. And yeah, tomorrow's Christmas and I'm so excited to see like the rest of my family, so. This hair. Just realized I forgot to end off my vlog. I didn't vlog too much while I was home just to like spend more time with everyone, but I hope you guys enjoyed what I did get to vlog. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and a wonderful New Year's. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.